Okay, dear students, today's videos will be on lab experiments, that is 4A, that singular transformation. Already one problem we have done on singular transformation with the program explanation. Again, second problem I am taking on singular transformation. Already this program already I explained in video of this previous video, that is problem 1. Now I am taking problem 2. This is singular transformation. Okay, so here line they have specified. Once again I can explain so that it will be easy to understand. If you go for program, so here as per problem, in problem they specify how many elements, how many buses, without reference how many buses will be there, that you have to see. Here line is equals to input number of elements and you have to print if whatever buses starts from 0. Okay, and bus equals to input, here number of buses excluding reference. If reference bus, if you remove remaining left out, you have to type it. And primitive whatever matrix you are forming, so first you have to initialize the matrix. All initialize of the matrix, Z matrix will be line to line, you will be zeros, you have to initialize. And A matrix you have to get it, because as you know Y bus is A transpose of Y into A matrix you have to initialize 0. So A, what is that? Line versus bus. A cap is element versus node, here element versus bus here. And for loop you have to use the line, it will count, it will take 1 2 3 4. So now starts with first element 1, line number 1 to 1 to 2 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 1 to 2 1 to 3, where this loop will end. If and once it will be number of elements, it will complete as per problem. And you have to print off, it will start the number of elements count, first element where it is connected, from bus towards bus, first element where it is connected. If there is any mutual impedance, self impedance is there, write that value. If there is any mutual impedance, write yes, you have to type. If you type yes of particular element mutual impedance, element number you have to type, and mutual impedance values you have to write here. What is this mutual impedance? What is this IN? Nothing but Z of Ij is equals to that value. Whatever values you are writing for Z of Ij, same thing you have to write for Z of Ji. Z of Ji is equals to Z of Ij and Gartha. Okay. So now once you got this all impedance, what is this? This indicates the formation of A. How you found A? If element is in between, if first element is in between any two nodes, if it is towards, you have to take negative, away positive. So from bus it is 1, towards bus it will be -1. If both are not equals to 0. Okay, obviously if both equals to 0, you have to type it -1 towards bus, from bus. Okay, this is from the A transpose. Once you form A, Z and all, then Z, whatever matrix we found previous, inverse if you do, it will be Y. And therefore Y bus is A transpose of Y into A, as what same thing I explained in previous problem. Okay, now let us go for this second problem as what they have given in this. Just see this second problem so that we will execute as per that. This is the second problem. Here 5 elements they have given, and connection they have given 0 to 1, 0 to 2 to 3 and all. And for second and fourth there is a mutual impedance is there. All values they have given in impedance, total impedance value. This will be 5 cross 5 matrix, you are getting impedance. 5 cross 5 matrix you can't do inverse directly, because Z value is there. If it is directly Y, then you can take it. This is impedance Z. Then Z you have to convert into Y, because to form Y bus, as per formula, Y bus is Y transpose of Y, A transpose of Y into A. But Y is needed admittance, but given values are impedance. Then how to do this? See, just have a look. This is 5. This is the diagram as per what they have given, 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and all. First element is between 0 to 1, again 0 to 2. All values they have given as per problem. We have drawn this diagram. And now you have to form this impedance values also. As per problem, all values they have given self impedance. Check it, this problem. Self impedance 0.6, 0.5, 0.5, 0.4, 0.2, all 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, all self impedance. Mutual is what here? 2 to 1, 1 to 2 is 0.1, and 4 to 1, 1 to 4 is 0.2, you have to take like that, because both side 1, 1. And element number 1, both side 1, 1 only you have to take, 0.1, 0.2. 2 to 1, 1 to 2, 4 to 1, 4 to 2. This is 2 to 1 and 1 to 2, this one, and 4 to 1, this one, and 1 to 4, 1 to 4. This point to this point to, this is Z. But this is what? 5 cross 5. Then how you can do Y? In calculator it is impossible. Maximum 3 cross 3 you can do. Now you have to divide this matrix into either 5 cross 5 you can divide, like as what you can do easily in calculator. 3 cross 3, 2 cross 2 you have to divide. How will divide? I told in first problem, while taking any element which is having maximum value, take that matrix. This is first element is having 0.6, 0.1, 0.2, 3 values having. Second element 2 values. And again if you check fourth element, 2 values are that, 0.2, 0.4. I will take 1, 2, 4 one side, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 versus, and remaining 3, 5 I will take, 0.5 here, fifth one is 0.2. So 3, 5 I will take. I will divide into matrix Z into 2. One is Z1 and there is Z2. This is Z. Okay, we have divided. All values are included here, both matrix. Now individual matrix you do inverse. Z1 is Y1 and this is Y2. Inverse you do. In calculator you can do easily. Once you do inverse, so you will be getting values. Now just you fix up these values in matrix. Okay, already this is 1 1. This is what 1 2 4 and this is what 3 5. Okay, 3 to 3 value is what 0.2. So now you write here 1 2 3 4 and here also 1 2 3 4 5. You write here number, then you will get easily. Now 1 to 1 we got 2.08. You put it here 2.08. 1 to 2. This 1 to 2 we got here minus 0.416, this one. Similarly you have to type. Remaining 1 to 3 is not here also, 1 to 3 is not there, here 1 to 3 is not there, then this will be 0. 1 to 4 is there, 1 to 4 is 0.2. What you got inverse here? Minus 1.041. This is 1 to 4, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1. 1 to 4 will be minus 1.04. Similarly, this value is also you have to put it here. What is this? 3, 5, 3, 5. So 3 to 3 is 0.5, but inverse what you are getting, because we want to form y. 3 to 3 is 2. 3 L barut nodri 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3. 3 to 5. Okay. So now what you are getting, 3 to 5 is what here? 2. Okay. Sorry, 3 to 3. This is 3 and this is 3. 3 to 3 will be 2. So just we are fixing the values respect to block. This is y. Now we will check this value using matrix. Right. Okay. So let us have a look, and we got this matrix, we have to check it here. Okay, let us see this program as what, and we'll execute. While executing, it will ask if there is a mutual impedance. Yes, you type, and respective impedance values you have to type. Where it will ask second number mutual impedance is there. What is that you have to write? Self impedance also is there. Mutual impedance element number it will ask, write 1 respective value. Okay, let us execute this program. Just have a look this. Already we have written this program. Now we'll execute in this program. What it is there? In this program mutual impedance is there. Let us execute this. Okay, let us see the second problem. Just I'll run this. Right. Okay, let us see this. It is asking element, total number of elements. As per problem, total number of elements are 5. Okay, and as per diagram, how many buses are there? 4 are there. If you remove reference, it will be how many references here? 3. Okay, so now element number 1 is in between 0 to 1, as what they have given, 0 to 1. Okay, what is self impedance is there? Yes, that is 0.6. Okay, enter. Is there a mutual impedance for first element? No. Capital N you have to type. Capital N you have to type. Yes, second element, what is that in between? Second element is in between 0 to 2. Okay, what is that self impedance value? 0.5. Okay, mutual impedance, yes, mutual impedance is there. Type Y. Okay, Y I am typing. And what is this element number? For second element number is 1 you have to type. What is that mutual impedance value? 0.1. Okay, enter. So third element is in between 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Okay, what is the self impedance value they have given here in problem? 0.5. Enter. Is there any mutual impedance? No. For third element there is no any mutual impedance. Next, fourth element. Fourth element is in between. What is that? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Is it? Yes. Self impedance value they have given in problem? 0.4. Yes. Is there any mutual impedance? Yes. And what is that value of mutual impedance? 0.2. Sorry, element number you have to write. Element number is 1 and mutual impedance is 0.2. Enter. Fifth element is in between 1 to 3. Okay, is there self impedance? Yes, 0.2. Is there any mutual impedance in problem? Fifth element, there is no any mutual impedance. No. Enter. Yes. Okay, just what you have to do here, just wait for a while. Okay. Okay, so once you are executed, so now we are getting Y bus, just check it, this Y bus 3 cross this 8.0208, 0.2083, this is the equation, 3 cross 3 matrix we are getting. Okay, so now just have a look this, what we got this theoretically, what we executed, we are getting this matrix, and actually reference we have removed, and we are getting, once you execute this, okay, so whatever Y bus and all as per theoretical calculation, just now I told, okay. So whatever Y bus we found, just multiply this A transpose of Y into A. Okay, just once you multiply all these things, we are getting A transpose as per problem you have to see. This is A transpose, Y into A. A transpose row and column interchange has to be done. Is it? Row and column interchange has to be done. This is A cap. A cap is what here? This is as first element is in between 0 to 1. As per you have to provide, and transpose reference you have to remove, that row and column interchange. Once we got Y, A transpose A and all, just multiply, we are getting this matrix C. 8.028 minus 0.209, what we got in matrix output, just check it, same answer we got. Okay, this is second problem, singular transformation. Okay, So in next, and one thing, what changes we can do in exam, if they won't ask mutual impedance, what you have to do, this line you have to delete from where to where, from type to this primitive, no need, remaining just it will execute easily. Okay, no need to type this, just remove if there is no mutual impedances. Okay, getting? Thank you.